Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how you can add a YouTube video or link to these sources and from these sources and how you can fetch information or get information. Okay, now this is the topic that I am interested from YouTube video. It is about the book Brothers Karamazov written by Fyodor Dostoevsky, Ultimate Message to the World. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy this link. Okay, I've copied this link. Now I'm going back to Google NotebookLM and I'm going to click on add. Once you click on add, if you scroll down, you see various options here like Google Drive, link and paste text. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on YouTube and I'm going to paste the URL that we have copied from YouTube and I'm going to click on insert. So you can read the notes before you click insert. Only the text transcript will be imported at this moment. Only public YouTube videos are supported. Recently uploaded videos may not be available to import. Let's say for example someone has uploaded YouTube video maybe a few hours ago or yesterday, then it may not be available. So these are some things that you can read before clicking insert. Click on insert now. The source, it is getting added to the sources. If you see the YouTube video Brothers Karamazov, it is added to all the existing sources. Now we have five sources. Now here comes the interesting thing. What I'm going to do is how can we relate the information from the book the Brothers Karamazov with how to win friends and influence people. So we are trying to connect the dots. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to hit enter. So the AI tool or the research tool, it is going to fetch the information or it is going to compare the information between Brothers Karamazov and how to win friends and influence people in the background, and it is going to give all the necessary details. Now let's see how it goes. Okay, it says, while The Brothers Karamazov is a profound Russian novel exploring complex themes of religion, philosophy, and psychology, and how to win friends and influence people is a practical guide to human relations, there are several ways to relate the information from both sources, particularly in their insights into human nature, motivation, and the impact of our interactions. Dale Carnegie asserts the deepest urge in human nature is the desire to be important or the craving to be appreciated. In the Brothers Karamazov, while not explicitly named as such, the characters' actions and motivations frequently reflect the deep-seated desire. Fyodor Karamazov's hedonistic pursuit of pleasure and Dimitri's impulsive demands for his inheritic and romantic entanglements can be seen as attempts to assert their will and gain a sense of importance or control. Ivan's intellectualism and his philosophical debates. So it is giving a lot of details after comparing these two sources. One is Brothers Karamazov and the other one is How to Win Friends and Influence People. So this way, what you can do is, if you have your notes or articles or the information that you have written over the years, you can bring all that data or information in Google NotebookLM and you can ask Google NotebookLM to connect the dots and it will come up with new ideas. So it is like second brain. We have one brain, and when we communicate with NotebookLM with all the sources or the information that we upload, it is going to act like a smart human brain again, smart AI brain. So it is going to give a lot of ideas. Alright, so this is how we can compare this is how we can compare the information in Google NotebookLM to get more information. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.